this video, I'll show you how you can clear all AMD GPU cache. Now, first thing you want to do is come here and search for run, type in percentage, local app data percentage, and press OK. In here you should have an AMD folder, open it up, and then what you want to do is you want to select all of these. So first go into the first one, delete everything in here, come back, go into this one, delete everything in there, come in this one, delete everything, this one, delete everything. Once you've done that, you want to right click and empty your recycle bin. Now, after this, what you want to do is come here and search for run, type in temp, open up temp, and delete everything in here. If this one pops up, you're just gonna press this, press skip, because we don't need to delete these. There we go. And then what you want to do is type in run. This time you're gonna type percentage, temp percentage, and you're gonna do the same in here. So delete everything and skip, and there we go. Then what you want to do is after all of this, you want to just empty recycle bin once again. And once that is done, what you want to do is you want to right click on your desktop. Now I have the NVIDIA control panel, but yours should say AMD Radeon software. If you don't see this, there should be a show more options down here if you're on Windows 11, and it will pop up. Otherwise you can search for it down here, AMD Radeon software. Now in there you want to press on graphics in the top here. And then you want to scroll down until you find advanced, and you want to click on advanced, and in there should be a button called reset shader cache. You want to make sure that you reset the shader cache, and after that you can just restart your PC, and now you have cleared the GPU cache. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.